Hey guys, I was so frustrated with my TIG stool. I came up with this design. Fully adjustable while you're sitting on it. Just hangs out on the leg at the weld table. You can adjust it whatever height you need. Got a little holder for TIG torch, MIG torch. You can put it on different leg if you'd like. Put it out of the way, put it on the inside or your way if you're not using it. Slick little saddle. Granted, you have to have a big enough weld table to offset your weight, but it's worked out pretty good. Hope you guys like. Hell of a lot better than that damn thing. Catch you later.